So this is one of the wildest G Wagons I've ever seen in London. It is a one-of-one commission by Brabus, basically turning the new G Wagon, the 2018 onwards shaped G Wagon, into a 4x4 squared. It's obviously they only built the 4x4 squared based on the previous generation G Wagon. So as you can see, it's got the new lights, it's got the 4x4 squared, massive spare wheel on the back, and also, I don't know if you can see this badge, the 700 there indicates that it's got 700 horsepower. So that's a lot quicker than the previous 4x4 squared, which had around 500 horsepower. It's got the twin turbo V8, but just uprated by Brabus. There you go. It's got some cool little blue accents throughout, and this extends the interior, which I'll show you now. Got blue on the doors, full blue fine Brabus leather throughout, even extending to the floor mats. And we've got stars on the roof like in a Rolls Royce. Absolutely crazy thing. Just taking it around the corner in Mayfair for some photos. But look at that. Really, really impressive. I love the lights up at the top that you get on a 4x4 squared. Obviously very, very bright, causing a lot of lens flare here on the video camera. But yeah, that's super cool. Full Brabus kit. You've got the carbon fibre on the bonnet, and probably the biggest wheels and tyre combination I've ever seen on a car. Absolutely awesome.
Naročito od London, kad ideš od Vega, gratno,